What's something people don't know about the world's largest tree fruit? Or, I will never underestimate a jackfruit after learning this. Greetings from Tropical Bites. Today, we dive into the world of jackfruit, the colossal fruit from the lush landscapes of South India. Imagine a fruit so large it tips the scales at up to 80 pounds. But jackfruit isn't just about its impressive size. This spiky marvel is a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with calories for energy, carbs for fuel, and fiber for your digestive health. And guess what? It's even loaded with over 3 grams of protein per cup. More than just a sweet treat, jackfruit is brimming with vitamin A to sharpen your vision, vitamin C to shield your immunity, and essential minerals like magnesium and potassium. And for the vegans out there, jackfruit is a game changer. Its meaty texture makes it a perfect substitute in your favorite dishes, from tacos to curries. So, the next time you're at the market, why not pick a jackfruit? It's not just food. It's a treasure trove of health benefits waiting to be unlocked. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tropical wonders. Until then, keep exploring and stay healthy.